Here I have Motorola Moto G9 Power, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password, pattern or any other lock screen method and unfortunately you forget it. So what you have to do in this situation is to turn off your device first. After it turns off completely, hold down combination power key and volume down at the same time for a few seconds. After this kind of menu appears, here you have to use volume keys to navigate to the option Recovery Mode and then select it with power key. When you see this Android robot image and no command message under it, hold down power key and press volume up once to access this recovery mode menu. Here you have to select option Wipe Data Factory Reset using volume keys to navigate to it and power key to select it. And then confirm this operation by selecting Factory Data Reset. After you see the message Data Wipe Complete, here you can select the first option Reboot System Now to restart your device, and it will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.